we'll be looking at how to use the summation um, functions, mainly SumIF, and SumIFs. The sum function is used to calculate the total of a, a set of values in a range. For example, equals sum we want to do 10. The sum if is used when you would like to add values in a range that meets one specific condition. On the other hand, the sum ifs is used to add values in a range that meets multiple conditions. We're going to look at how each of them can be used in the spreadsheet together. So if, for example, here, let's say we want to find the sum of all the fees. So let's say equals sum. Right. Right, in this case, we're adding up the values in E2 to E10. Down here, let's say we want to find the total female payment, the total payment from female. So again, we're going to be adding up the fees with only one for female. So in this case, we have one condition that we are going to be checking. So it's going to be the something. So let's say equals something. So the range is going to be the range that has the genders. And then we're going to specify criteria, in this case female. And then the sum range is going to be a range with the fees, like in this case. So let's enter, and that gives it total. I challenge you to work out the total for the meal. So let me just look at this. So we are finding this sum of the fees paid by female. So first thing we put in is a range, which is a range of the genders. That's from C2 to C7, followed by our criteria double quotes. Then our sum range, that's the range that has the numbers that we'd like to find the sum of. All right. The next thing that we're going to be looking at, the total amount collected from boys and cadets. Again, look at this one. So boys would be based on the gender, cadet would be based on the club. So right there and then we have two set of criteria that we need to consider. So as you can see over here, the sum ifs is used in that scenario where you have multiple conditions um, to consider when finding the sum. So in this case, we'll be saying something like equals sum ifs open brackets. The sum range is going to be the range of the numbers. Like in this case, it will from here and here. And then we have the criteria range. All right, so the first criteria range is going to be based on the genders. And put our comma, we specify which one. So since it's male, all right, so because talking about boys, it's male. So this one, I want those from cadets. So I'm going to highlight the range that has the cadets. That's the next criteria. In this case, it's from D2 to D7 and cadet in quotation. All right, so that's the basic idea as to how the sum ifs can be used. Thanks for watching.